Hi friends, it's Mel here. This is a video in collaboration with the Rosie Studio brand ambassador team. That's me and Diane and Alice, and we've challenged each other to use a cut file called Hearts Background from the Rosie Studio store. And then the collection that I'm going to use today is called Wildwood, and that's a new collection that was just released on the 1st of February. And what I'm going to be doing today is working on a page to go in my Poppy Dog album. So this is just a 6x8 album. I'll just give you a little look through of some of the pages that I've made in here. This is just when she was a little puppy. And so these pages are just hole punched and just popped straight into the album. So they are 17 centimetres wide by 21 centimetres tall. And then this page was from a Pink Fresh class that I took. There's just a little pocket there with some journaling. And then this last one here is our Page Evans cut file. And yep, so that's how far I got with that. Okay, so this is the new collection, and it's really beautiful, soft, kind of autumnal colours, but I think you can make them work for anything really. And then I'll show you the cut file. So this is the hearts background, and so I've obviously cut it to fit the dimensions that I want. So when I opened up the file in the Cricut software, it was actually about the right height, so I only had to just size it down a little tiny bit to get the size I wanted. And then I just made a rectangle with the right dimensions and just did a slice, so I was only cutting the size that I needed, not cutting the full square and then having to cut bits off. So what I've done here is I've used this pattern, which is a white with this little tiny floral on it, just to give a little bit more texture through pattern, rather than just using white cardstock. And then my backing piece was this wordy paper, and it's the same yellow that goes, so it's the same yellow tone, so they match really well. And then the cut file itself comes with the outline, and it also comes with the backing piece, so it makes it really easy. So that I've only had to cut one whole piece that just sticks on the back, you can see there. And then to give it some more dimension, so it's going to pop off my page a little bit, you can see it's a little bit thicker. I've cut an extra layer in white cardstock, so that will give some dimension. And then I wanted to use this paper. I love the florals, but just for the colour and to give a little bit of interest behind the cut file. So I've already cut that to size. So you see I'll have a bit of a border around the outside of my cut file, and some interest behind there as well. And then because of that extra layer of backing behind it, you can see that it's got a slight bit of dimension, but not super bulky as it would be if you used foam tape or something like that. Alright, so then the next thing I've done is from the die cut cardstock ephemera, which there's just so many beautiful florals and elements in there. I've gone through and selected a bunch that I think I want to use on the page, and then just to get a few more yellow flowers just from a scrap of this paper that's in my background, I have just cut out a couple of extra flowers just loosely, so there's a little bit of a border, but I haven't worried about being too precise on that. And then this tray is just a divided food plate for little kids, but it makes it easy for sorting through these Rosie's packs, because they contain so many pieces, so you can easily put things into, I think I might use it, or definitely not going to use it this time, and then this tray, part of the tray here, is the thing that I think I definitely want to try and get on the page. And then I have dug out, taken out the little puffy stickers. I think I want to add some of those for extra dimension. And then I do also have chipboard embellishments for this collection, so I think I might pop a couple of them onto the page as well. There will be a full unboxing of the collection, or collection share, on Diane's channel, and also the Rosie's studio channel, so I'll link both of them in the description box below. Okay, and then finally the photo that I've got is just this one here, where Poppy was about 6 months old and just out playing with my daughter. So that's what I'm going to use for this page. Alright, so I'll pop you onto fast forward now and we'll get started. So I'm just backing my photo here with a piece of the die cut ephemera, and it's a postage stamp, and it's got the super cute squirrel on it, but I just really want to have that postage edge border on my photo. So I'm just working out how to trim those and then be able to extend them around the full photo, or at least the 3 corners of the photo, as in that bottom corner I'm going to arrange some ephemera. So just getting that stuck together, and that's all done now. And then I've added some cardstock on the back just to lift it off the page a bit more. And now these are the ephemera that I've already pre-sorted that I think I want to use. So I'm just arranging them around the corner and nestling them around the corner of that photo, just to give it some grounding on the page. And just working from the bigger pieces to the smaller. And I found this little fox that's really cute and looking in the same direction as Poppy Dog, so I think I'll try that there on the corner. That looks good, and tucking bits and pieces in. Now when I cut the cut file, my blade was a bit blunt, so there's a few little imperfections in my cut file. So once I've finished arranging this ephemera, I'm going to have a look at the puffy stickers, or maybe these chipboard embellishments, and just find something to cover that up. So this one here, Our Story, is perfect yellow. I'll just tuck that in under my title piece. Right, so I've stuck everything down now, and you'll see that I've switched out the fox for a slightly smaller one, and he's actually from the puffy sticker sheet. So I'm going through and seeing if there's anything else on that puffy sticker sheet that I could add on. So I've added this happy day, and now I'm looking for something pink to take up into that top corner, just to balance out the pink in the bottom. and I think that's it. So here is my finished layout, although you'll see in the close-ups coming up shortly that I have switched out that pink heart for another little pink banner from the puffy sticker sheets. So you can see that in the close-up here. So thanks for watching, and I hope you will go and see what the other brand ambassadors have done, either on Instagram or YouTube, and I will link that below. And I hope you will check out the Rosie Studio Wildwood collection, which I'll also link to down below. And I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!